Click on the link below to get price. The Dri-Eaz LGR 7000XLi commercial dehumidifier is an impressive piece of equipment designed for heavy-duty moisture removal in industrial and commercial settings. With a remarkable capacity to extract up to 29 gallons of water per day, this dehumidifier is a game-changer for those dealing with severe water damage or high humidity environments. One of the standout features of the LGR 7000XLi is its advanced LGR, low grain refrigerant, technology, which allows it to operate efficiently even in low-grain conditions. This means that it can effectively remove moisture from the air, producing drier air at lower temperatures. This is particularly beneficial in places where traditional dehumidifiers might struggle. The built-in pump is another great addition, enabling the unit to discharge water automatically, which simplifies operation and maintenance in large spaces. The design of the Dri-Eaz LGR 7000XLi is practical and durable. Constructed with a rugged housing, it can withstand the rigors of various job sites. Additionally, the unit features large wheels and a sturdy handle, making it easy to transport between locations. Its compact design does not compromise on performance, allowing it to fit into tight spaces while maximizing its efficiency. Operating the dehumidifier is straightforward due to its user-friendly digital display, which provides clear indicators of humidity levels and operational status. The optional remote monitoring feature is a bonus for those managing multiple sites, as it allows for real-time updates on performance without needing to be physically present. In terms of energy consumption, the LGR 7000XLi is surprisingly efficient, making it a more eco-friendly choice compared to many competitors. It operates quietly, which is an important consideration for many users, particularly in noise-sensitive environments like schools or hospitals. Overall, the Dri-Eaz LGR 7000XLi commercial dehumidifier is a top-tier solution for serious moisture issues. Its robust features, efficiency, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for anyone needing reliable dehumidification in